guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So ngayon guys, meron na naman tayong isi-share na isang pautangan online. At alam nyo ba guys, hindi na natin siya kailangang i-download pa. Hindi na natin siya kailangang hanapin sa Google Play Store o iOS man. So, siya guys is through website. Good thing nga yun guys kasi hindi na niya ma-access yung ating phone. Kasi 'di ba yung ibang mga pautangan online is kailangan pa natin siyang i-download and then kailangan pa ng access tulad guys ng phone contact and may isa pa nga guys na isang application na hanggang dun sa mga naka-download o mga naka-install na application dyan sa phone mo is kanya pa rin i-access. So bago ko guys ipagpatuloy kung ano nga bang online pautangan ito, is i-announce ko muna guys yung mga nanalo sa ating pa-GCash giveaway. So ito nga pala yung nanalo dito sa video na to. So ito guys yung mga nanalo. So tingnan nyo guys, malay nyo yung pangalan nyo is narito na. So ito sila guys. And guys, ito naman ang winner dito sa video na to. So ito sila guys. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, baka naman ang name nyo is nandyan na at panalo na pala kayo. So guys, kung nakita nyo naman na kayo ay panalo at nandiyan yung inyong name, so i-message nyo lang ako sa aking email para ma-claim yung inyong prize. Kung kayo guys ay gusto nyo ring manalo sa ating pa-GCash giveaway, so ang gagawin nyo lang guys is mag-subscribe, mag-like at mag-comment sa video na ito. At automatic kasali na kayo sa ating pa-GCash giveaway. Continue ko na yung aking isi-share na online pautangan. So tara! So guys, ang online pautangan na aking isi-share is si finbro.ph. Yes guys, si finbro.ph. And guys, take note, hindi na natin siya kailangang i-download kasi nga through website siya. Meron akong link sa description box at meron din akong link sa ating comment section. So click nyo lang yung guys kung gusto nyo siyang itry. So yun guys. Simulan na natin ang paglo-load kay Finbro. So guys, tingnan natin yung kanyang website. So kung makikita natin dito guys, meron dito new and repeat. So ibig sabihin guys, kung bago ka pa lang na magta-try kay Finbro, ang pipindutin mo is yung new. And kung ikaw naman is repeater na, login na lang po yung ating i-click. So dito guys, meron na din dito loan calculator. So slide lang natin guys and makikita natin guys dito yung loan amount, yung next payment date, the interest, the processing fee, and the loan tenor, and the total amount due. So, meron na agad siya ditong pahapyaw, guys. 98% of customers are very satisfied with Finbro service. So, meron siya, guys, 5 star. So, yun, guys. Why choose Finbro? It only takes one valid ID and selfie to proceed. No facelift document required. Pero, tingnan nga natin kung wala nang kailangang document required dito guys. Easy and fast service. And guys, take note, yung mga eligible lang na pwedeng mag-loan dito guys kay Finbro is, ang age is 20 up to 70 years old. So, location is nationwide. The occupation, hub stable, income. So, guys, ang kagandahan dito kay Finbro dahil nga siya is website, makikita na natin guys yung kanyang mga contact information. So, meron dito silang phone number which is smart, available lang smart, and available din yung globe. So, i-call nyo lang siya guys kung may mga questions pa kayo. And then, Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, narito din yung guys yung kanyang email address kung gusto nyo man siyang i-email. So, guys, kung makikita nyo rin dito is under siya ni Sophie Lending Incorporation. SEC approved din siya. So guys, dahil ako is bago lang, so ang aking pipindutin is yung new. After nun guys, ito na guys yung mga information na kailangan kong fill upan. So, personal information, which is the first name, middle name, last name, and ID card type. So, dito guys sa ID card type, meron lang silang 4 available IDs. So, ano-ano ba yung 4 available IDs na yon? So, ang available guys is SSS, UMID, passport, and driver's license. So, yun lang guys ang kanilang ina-accept na ID. And take note guys, you will need to take picture of selected ID card later in the application process. And then after nun guys, date of birth, gender, civil status. After nun guys, the contact information. So, dito guys, sa contact information, kailangan niya ng email address and the phone number. So, after natin guys ilagay yung phone number natin, kailangan natin i-get yung verification code and ilalagay natin guys yung verification code dito. And then, you are going to set password. So, kailangan natin mag-set dito na guys ng password. So, pero guys, dito, password must have at least 4 characters. So, kailangan lang natin kahit 4 lamang na characters. So, yun guys. And guys, check lang natin yung box, yung dalawang box. So, check and check. So guys, after nating fill upan yung mga information na yun, so sabi dito, please wait, it might take a few minutes to process your loan application. So, na-process guys ni Finbro yung ating mga pinil-upang information. So, yun. After niyang i-process yung mga information na ating inilagay, so narito na guys yung slider. So, dito guys, mamimili na kayo kung magkano ba yung amount na inyong ilo-loan. So, dito guys, as a first timer, so, ang available lang sa first timer guys is 1,000 up to 15,000. So, kung ikaw naman is repeater, siguro makukuha mo dito yung kanilang 50,000. Dito din, pwede ka ding mamili ng loan terms. Pwedeng 7 days up to 30 days. So guys, narito na din yung computation ng loan amount, payment date, interest processing fee, loan tenure, and the total amount due. So guys, ang akin lang itatry is yung pinakamababa, which is 1,000 pesos. Kung magkano nga ba. So ang interest guys ng 1,000 pesos is 60, and then the processing fee is 90 pesos. So guys, ang loan term na nun is 30 days. And guys, meron ditong borrower's advantage package. So, malaki guys yung borrower's advantage package nila dito. So, yun. Kasi, 481 pesos. So, meron naman guys dito, kung mag-a-agree ka kay borrower's advantage package, pwede mo siyang hindi i-agree. Pero guys, pag hindi mo siya in-agree, kasi nga nalalakihan ka, meron kang kailangan i-submit o supporting document, which is, sabi dito, Certificate of Employment with Compensation Breakdown and Acknowledgement of Continuous Employment for next 12 months addressed to Sophie Lending Incorporation and signed by the HR personnel. So, yon guys, hassle guys yung mag-upload ng Certificate of Employment natin. So, kailangan pa daw is addressed to Sophie Lending. So guys, ako, i-click ko na guys yung Borrower Advantage Package. So yun guys. So kung makikita nyo guys, ang aking total amount due is 1,631 pesos. So, yun guys. Kasi, hassle naman guys. Pero guys, depende pa rin sa inyo kung i-agree nyo yung borrower's advantage package o hindi. So guys, dito, clinic ko yung borrower advantage package. So yun. And then guys, after nating i-check guys yung borrower advantage package, so nandito na guys yung kasunod nating pipil-upan, which is the employment information. And then the income information. So dito guys, total monthly income and total monthly expenses. So, after nun guys, ito naman ang kasunod nating pipilapan, which is the relatives information. So, dito guys, kailangan lang ng isang relative. So, isa lang ang ating kailangan dito. Ilalagay lang natin dito guys kung ano yung pangalan ng ating relative, and then ano bang relation natin dito kay relative na inilagay mo, and then yung kanyang phone number. And then, click lang guys natin yung continue. So, dito naman guys, after nun, ilalagay na natin guys dito yung ating address. And then, click continue. And then guys, dito naman, ilalagay din natin yung loan disbursement. So guys, available nga pala dito yung bank account and e-wallet. So, sa e-wallet guys, ang available is GCash, PayMaya, GrabPay, DCPay, OmniPay, and the StarPay. So, yun guys yung mga available. So, ang akin is, ang pinili ko is GCash. And then, after nun guys, dito kailangan nating isubmit yung picture ng ating ID. And then, meron tayong selfie na kasama yung ating ID. So, after nun guys, after nating papicturan or i-upload, click lang natin yung continue. So, yun. And then, guys, dito, please wait. It might take a few minutes to process your loan application. So, mag-intay lang tayo, guys, ng mga ilang minuto. And happy to say that approved naman tayo kay Finbro. Ibig sabihin, guys, talagang nag-a-approve si Finbro. Kasi, guys, sabi din dito, guys, ang approval rate is 50%. O, diba? Ang taas ng approval rate niya. So, yun, guys, yung process ng pagla-loan kay Finbro. So, guys, kung nagustuhan nyo siya at gusto nyo siyang i-try, is i-click nyo lang yung ating link na nasa description box. Dalaga na. So, i-click lang natin, guys, yung nasa description box and nasa comment section. So, yun, bahala na kayo kung alin yung i-click nyo doon. Pero parehas lang yun, guys, na website ni Finbro. Pero, guys, hindi ko kayo ini-encourage na umutang kung hindi nyo naman kailangan. So, nasa sa inyo pa rin, guys, ang desisyon kung uutang kayo at susubok kay Finbro, pero hindi ko kayo ini-encourage na maging utangero. So, pero guys, pag emergency, nalalapitan naman natin si Finbro kasi talaga nag-a-approve naman siya. So, basta lang, ilalagay lang natin yung mga information natin ng tama and yun, approve naman tayo ni Finbro. So, yun lang, guys, for today's video. At kung hindi ka pa, guys, nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, subscribe ka na para maging updated ka sa mga susunod na video ko. At malay mo, ikaw na malaman nanalo sa ating Pag-Gcash giveaway, which is 20 pesos, o diba? Be thankful, guys, kasi malaki na din yung 20 pesos. Yun lang ang kaya natin, guys, kasi nga, hindi pa po tayo na-monetize dito sa ating YouTube account. So, tulungan nyo ako, guys, para tayo ma-monetize, para lumaki din ang ating Pag-Gcash giveaway. So, yun lang, guys. Salamat sa panonood. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!